My daughter and I decided to go thrifting today. I like to go thrifting a couple times a week. You never know what you're going to find, and that's the thrill of it to me. I'm going to take you guys along, and I hope you enjoy it. I think that our little town is so pretty. The college campus and Main Street are always decorated and look so well manicured. I'll have to bring you guys back when everything's lit up like a winter wonderland at Christmas. I've always loved thrifting, even as a kid. It probably comes from all the auctions that my parents used to drag us kids to. Even back then, I can remember the excitement and the anticipation of not knowing what was going to be pulled out from the box full of treasures. Now walking into a thrift store and not knowing what I might find gives me that same kind of thrill, but I also feel like that sometimes I can honestly manifest things that I want. I'll have an idea for a craft or home decor and poof, it's sitting right there on a shelf waiting for me to take it home. Thrifting's so relaxing, but at the same time, when I find that perfect piece, it's like an adrenaline rush, and all you thrifters out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just going to let you guys walk along with me. You can kind of see what I gravitate towards. This store I hadn't been to before. It's really more of an antique store, so prices are a little bit high in here. But actually, this little polar bear is the only thing that I ended up taking home today. It was just a little toy that I was going to add to the collection for my grandbabies. I may end up going back and getting that little teapot. I really loved it. I'm into the cottagecore look right now, and the birds on it is absolutely beautiful. I thought this rolling pin was really unique. I felt like I could make something like that or something really similar. This was a little expensive for my taste, but I really thought it was pretty. When I saw this dollhouse furniture, it made me think of my daughter's Barbies that we kept, and I found all kinds of furniture that I could use for my dollhouse making. There was this lemonade stand set up in the parking lot of the next thrift store we were going to. They had some really unique lemonades. They looked really, really delicious, especially this one right here. My daughter ended up getting the one that has cotton candy on it. She said it was really good, but that's way too much sugar for me. She actually took off all of that candy and gave a little bit to my grandson when we got back for a little treat. This is one of my favorite thrift stores. It's pretty new in our town. It's so nice and clean and very organized, and the prices are really good in here. I love the clean, simple look of this wreath with the little bird nest. I thought that was so sweet. This green Dutch oven is absolutely beautiful. And then these dishes below, it was only $5 for that entire box. I definitely think I'm going to go back and see if that's still there. I can't believe I left it. This t-shirt was calling my name. It says, "Take me to the thrift shop." This is so perfect for me. I cannot believe I did not grab this. I'm gonna have to go back soon and see if it's still there. This area was such a throwback. When I was a kid, we would go to the movie store and rent movies on the weekend. We'd even rent our VCR when I was a kid, and this made me feel just like I was at Blockbuster. Now that I had my fun thrifting, I need to get to work in the kitchen. I'm going to give my curtains a wash, clean out my pantry, and get my windows cleaned. I completely forgot about that little plant hanging there to the right. When it fell and hit the floor, it scared me half to death. One of the reasons I started this channel is to give motivation to other people, because there's lots of times that I needed that and others helped me. So if you want, get up and do a little cleaning with me, or sit back and relax, and then maybe this can give you some inspiration for some things that you can do around the house. In the meantime, I'm going to let you listen to some music while I get this done. I found this glass cleaner at the Dollar Tree. It's streak free. It doesn't have much of a smell, and I think it works really good. I was really shocked. I thought I would give it a try, and I was pleasantly surprised. Before I tackle this pantry, I'm going to make myself a drink. I'm just cutting up some strawberries and lemon and putting it in ice water. Enzo's been hanging out with me just out of the camera shot, but when I was making my drink, he came over to me and gave me a little nose bump. I knew he wanted a little snack, so some strawberries it is. I decided to quickly change out the ribbon that I had hanging these wreaths from the kitchen and the dining room. I had that buffalo plaid up for a long time. I decided on some yellow for spring and summer. When my curtains are done, I just hang them back up wet. They dry really easily that way without wrinkles. I use this pantry for overflow things like dishes that don't go under the cabinet or the big cereal boxes or crackers. I have a different pantry for canned goods and our pasta and things like that. But this pantry is really deep and things get lost back there, so I know there's things in here that need to be tossed. I can't reach the very top shelf without a step stool, so there's no telling what's back there. I can't believe how much stuff came out of this cabinet. I'm so glad I decided to do this today. It really needed a good wipe down, and all of these things needed to be gone through to see if anything was expired. I need to get a better system so I'm not rebuying things that I already have because things are just getting crammed back there. Groceries are so expensive, and I need to keep better track of what's in there.
Don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe.
I'm going to give this fridge a quick wipe down, and then I'm going to wrap up today's video. Hope to see you guys next Sunday. I'm going to soon be doing a small makeover in my bathroom. Can't wait to get into that with you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.
Need a friend to shake